Good morning. So, there's an old Greek tale about a king by the name of Sisyphus who tried to defy Zeus. So, as punishment, he was told to roll a boulder up a hill. And every time he got the boulder to the top of the hill, it would roll back down. And he was doomed to repeat this for the rest of his life, for eternity. So, imagine having to do the same thing over and over again and not getting any change or any different result. How many of us do this in life? How many of us go to the same job day in, day out that we don't like? Or, stay in a relationship that is unhealthy for us, but we just do it because that's what we think we're supposed to do? Or believe things about ourselves, so act upon them, and at the end of the day, that belief system has us doing something that in reality isn't really best for us. So think about that, just like Sisyphus, right? Rolling a boulder up a hill nonstop, day in, day out, and getting no result. How miserable of an existence is that, right? So, why are you doing something you don't love? Why are you around people that don't bring you joy and make you happy? Why are you holding on to belief systems that don't serve you? So, I know it's a short story and a quick analogy, but it's the truth. We tend to just do things over and over again because it's just comfortable for us and we get used to it. But the reality of it is, it's not good for us and it doesn't change anything. And if we continue to stay inside our comfort zone, we're not going to grow. So hopefully you'll do something today that maybe just you step a little bit outside your comfort zone and get some positive results. But most importantly, if you're in a position where you're just doing something that you don't enjoy, or you're in a relationship that is unhealthy for you, you really need to take a step back and think about it. And is there a better way? Because really you should be waking up every day, and instead of feeling like you're going to work, you should feel like you're going to do something you love and enjoy. Because then, of course, as we all know, that's not work, right? So anyway, have a great day.